boys and girls, it's Mrs. O'Shea again from the Jellyfish class, and we're going to continue on with our letters from Handwriting Without Tears. Today's letter is a little tricky because it's something called a vowel, and a vowel has two different sounds. We're going to talk about both sounds, but we're going to concentrate on the short vowel sound. But before we can do that, let's see if we can guess what letter I'm talking about. All right, I have my trusty flashlight ready to go. Here is my board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top, big line down. I'm going to go back to the top, all the way in the corner, little line across. Pick up my pencil, go to the bottom, and little line across the bottom. I think you already know this one, but we're gonna try it again. Do it with me if you can. Start at the top, big line down, go back to the top, little line across, go to the bottom, little line across the bottom. Do you know what it is? Of course you do, because you're smart, but I'm going to show you another way to make it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my big line down. I'm going to go back to the top and make my little line across the top. Close, but we have one more line. You're right, this does make the letter T, but that's not the one we're talking about today. I'm going to add something to the bottom. Now we go, big line down, back to the top, little line across, down to the bottom, little line down across the bottom. You're right, it's the letter I. But that's not really a trick. Okay, letter I, here we go. Let's see if we can make it with our magic finger. Start at the top, big line down, back to the top, little line across, back to the bottom, little line across the bottom. Let's see if you want to do it with your marker with me. Start at the top, big line down, go back to the top, across with a little line, down to the bottom, and across the bottom as well. That is a capital I. Now, I promised you we would talk about the sound. It has two. It says its name, I, like in ice cream, but it also has a short sound. That sound is called I. It's a short vowel. It goes itch, like on your face. And you know what? Itch starts with I. Let's add that to our list. Itch. And I can even draw maybe. Scratching and itch. That's how I remember the I sound sounding. Itch. That might help you if you do it to yourself as well when you hear that sound. Itch. Let's try it. Do we know any other words that start with that sound? Itch. Oh, I think you might know this one. This one. Yeah, it does kind of look like an ant, but then we also have things like this and this. You're right, they're all called insects. Let's do the test. Itch, insects. Very good. Awesome. You know what? I have a friend and her name is Isabella. Let's do it. Isabella. And her name starts with that short I sound. Isabella. Very good. All right, let's see. What else can we do that's Oh, I know. I saw these when I went on a trip to Alaska. Yeah, it kind of does look like a rainbow, but wait. It's someplace that's super cold. Brrr, with snowflakes everywhere. Oh, you're right. I can't fool you. Igloo. Very good. Igloo. Awesome. So I challenge you to find out some words that start with that short I sound. Or just go ahead and practice your letters. You can do it in salt, in sand, if mom left you, maybe some pudding or whipped cream. You can use cereal or chips and spell out an I. Have fun. Have a great day. Bye-bye.